Hello and welcome to Gravity Forms Basics. Today's topic is all about adding the capability to upload files to your Gravity Forms. Now, this can work in practically any Gravity Forms that you already have, but to test this out, it would be best to start with a blank form like what we got here. Now, all we really need to do, once you already have this blank form, is to scroll down and find the file upload field right here. Just need to drag that over here. Okay. Now we're going to rename this something like upload files. There. Now, technically, you're already done. But if you want, you can enable multi-file uploads. As it is right now, this can only upload a single file. And if you prefer, you can enable that. There we go. Or disable it if you really only need one file to be uploaded. But it's nice to know you have your options. Now, the maximum file size can be limited here, but it's just blank by default, so you can just leave that alone. And obviously, if you need it to be required, just click required under the rules. That's it. Now, all you need to do is click Save Form, and then you're done. See you guys next time. Be sure to hit like and subscribe for more content about all things Gravity Forms.